ma'am. Stand up, okay? So the next step is called the 9-step walk. It's going to require you to walk. Can you put your first down? Alright. So I know you have sandals on. The pavement's hot. Are you okay doing this with sandals? Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to imagine a solid imaginary line in front of you. I want you to place your left foot on that line, place your right foot in front of your left foot, so your right heel is touching your left toe. Can you do that now? I ask you to put your right foot in front of your left foot. Okay. Let your hands relax down at your sides. Go ahead and stay in that stance, please. Right, let your hands relax. Let your hands relax down your sides. I want you to look at your toes, and you're going to take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps. You're going to count each step out loud. You're going to make a turn, and you're going to come back. I'll demonstrate what I want you to do, okay? So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Except you're going to 9. On your 9th step, I want you to keep your left foot planted, make a series of small steps around it, and then I want you to come back. 1, 2, 3. Except you're going all the way to 9. Do you have any problems with your legs that would prevent you from doing that? No. All right. Do you think you can do that? All right. Why don't you give it a shot then? Whenever you're ready.
Count as 1?
No.
1, 2, 3.
Step I'm going to have you do is called a one-leg stand. Alright? You can choose whatever leg you prefer. It's pretty easy. What I want you to do is I want you to keep your hands relaxed down at your sides. Lift either foot up at least 6 inches off the ground, whichever you prefer. Alright? I want you to stare at your toes and count out loud 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000 until I tell you to stop. Can you do that, Ted? Alright. Whenever you're ready. You got to let your hands relax at your sides. Right, go ahead and stop. Hey, I'm going to place you under arrest for DUI. Stop. Yes. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Don't make things worse, okay? Just cooperate with them. Stop turning around. Hold still, okay? Motor safety, I'm sending you 2 weeks in a patrol unit over here for transport. Stop, please. Come over here in front of my motorcycle. Nope. Alright, stop right here. Go ahead, widen your stance for me. Keep your feet up. Do you have anything illegal on you?
No.
I said stay there for a minute.
Stay there!
Okay. I said stay there for a minute.
Okay, they're
I was trying to make things lighter.
Okay. Well, you're not, alright? And your balance is really poor.
Because I'm in shock, I'm shaking.
You have some other physical characteristics which are indicative of a controlled substance being
Can I
used.
ask what that is?
Yes, your eyes. Your
My
eyes
eyes?
lead away. It's called nystagmus.
Don't.
Stop!
Don't touch
Okay,
me.
I can search you, and that's what I'm doing. You do not pull away from me.
Here. You put me with my husband here.
Hey, I'm going to search you whether you
With
like
my
it or not.
husband here.
No,
You don't get a fucking trophy.
Okay, no one's groping you. There's a little camera right there. Pay attention to it. Don't pull away from me again. No, I won't. All right. What I want you to do is I want you to come over here on the curb and have a seat.
Can I have a cigarette?
No.
Will you bring my purse by me?
I will. Sit down. Sit down.
I'm not gonna sit on that shit. West Ford,